Sometimes students have to leave a school due to family transfer, higher studies, or personal reasons. In such situations, writing a proper transfer certificate application is very important. Today, I am sharing a simple, correct, and formal application format that students can use. Okay, so starts to the headmaster KN High School, Baripada, Mayurbhanj. Date you have to mention date here. Subject application for TC. Sir, with due respect, I beg to say that I am a student of class IX, section A of your school. My father has been transferred to another place due to his official duty. Therefore, it is not possible for me to continue my studies in this school. I request you kindly to issue my transfer certificate so that I can take admission in a new school. I have cleared all my school dues. I shall be highly grateful to you for your kind cooperation. Thanking you, yours obediently, name. You have to write your name. I have already written Tapos Patra, class IX, roll number 3. Okay, thank you.